from Hamburg. We are here at the Elbe River at the waterfront, and behind us you can see the new service vessel Bibby Wavemaster Horizon, which will be taking officially into operation today. And therefore we have Mark Becker, our Managing Director of Siemens Gamesa Germany, with us. We have from EnBW Stefan Kansi, who's the Director of New Offshore Projects. And we also have the Senator of Economics and Infrastructure, Michael Westhagemann, with us. Let's have a look at the ship that will keep the largest wind power plants offshore in Germany up and running. Dean, what is the most impressive about the vessel? What is very special about it?
The whole layout of the vessel is state-of-the-art. Everything is the newest concept. Especially our tower on the back, that's our gangway system from SMST. It's a state-of-the-art system which we're going to use to transfer the people to their workplace. The crane also we have is a 3D, brand new crane, also a new concept. Also the bridge is all full of state-of-the-art first-class equipment, brand new everything. So it's going to be a nice, exciting vessel to work on.
We are out with this vessel always for 30 days in the wind park and then coming back to the harbor. In between those 30 days we exchange the crew on the vessel with a helicopter due to the fact that they are only allowed to stay offshore for 2 weeks.
So this vessel helps to bring our technicians safely to Hoisi Albatros, which is the new offshore wind farm which was just built with its 87 turbines very far offshore.
I heard that your son will be working on the ship from now on, so how do you feel about that?
That was actually the game changer in order to see that we inspect the ship where he is going to be working in the future, and it was quite important for us to, as parents.
Mark, how's the offshore market developing?
It's developing, steadily growing. We see in the US, lease after lease coming online. The Taiwan market is growing. New markets like India are coming online. And if you see the last auction results in UK, that definitely underlines that there's more growth to come, because the prices achieved there underline that the offshore wind is definitely competitive to any other energy source.
Stefan, how do you experience the cooperation with Siemens Gamesa?
You could say that the experience is just as expected, as good as we had it in the past, right? We built Baltic 1 together, Baltic 2 together, and Hoisi and Albatros are not much different. By the end of 2019, this will be successfully installed, and I think both parties enjoyed it a lot, so I'm more than satisfied.